Hello everyone, today I'm excited to introduce the 125 kilowatts to 61 kWh outdoor energy storage cabinet from Zhuhai Pilot Technology. As a leader in digital energy with over 20 years of innovation, we created this all-in-one energy storage system to overcome site constraints and deliver long-term, stable returns, making energy smarter, more resilient, and sustainable. With a compact design, this cabinet occupies just 1.3 by 0.9 meters, reducing footprint by 30% compared to a conventional one. It's easy to be installed in outdoor stations, industrial parks, highways, or remote areas. Without any expertise, you can check the status at a glance by this intuitive LED power display. Its core is tough built. Powered by Tier1-Grade high-performance LiFePO cells, it ensures over 8,000 cycles and 15 years of reliable service. The system achieves 90 conversion efficiency and 88 annual efficiency, ensuring every kilowatt-hour counts. What's more stunning is that our intelligent liquid cooling system further reduces auxiliary power consumption by more than 50%, increases discharge output, and extends system lifespan, which can significantly lower total lifecycle costs. Safety is always our top priority. We have equipped it with a triple protective shield, cabinet level, pack level, and water-based fire protection linkage, providing all-round and comprehensive protection. The BMS active equalization system combined with AI health management can identify potential hazards in advance and nip risks in the bud. Certified to standards such as IEC 62619 and GB or T36276, this solution delivers peace of mind you can trust. Intelligent operation and maintenance is buff stress-free. The modular design makes disassembly and assembly as easy as playing with building blocks. With cloud edge collaboration for instant diagnosis and 24/7 cloud monitoring, you don't got to stay on site. You can keep tabs on the equipment anytime, anywhere. The system supports up to 20 units in parallel, with intelligent control strategies for peak shaving, backup power, and microgrid applications. Expansion is flexible, and adaptation to different scenarios is seamless. This proven solution is already at work globally, stabilizing rural microgrids in Nigeria, enabling greener highways in Hebei, securing hospital power in Mali, and cutting energy costs across Chinese enterprises. Each installation demonstrates real reliability and value. With the strong support of our pilot's global service network, there will be 24-hour after-sales response and professional team on-site support. From installation to operation and maintenance, we will provide full protection throughout the process. Now the transition to green energy is at an opportune time, and choosing a reliable energy storage product is the key to success. The 125 to 61 kWh outdoor energy storage cabinet delivers performance, safety, intelligence, and proven returns, empowering you to energize more scenarios confidently. Let's build a greener future together.